Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey y'all. So this is the next day, not the same day. But listen, these cookies from Walmart, these oatmeal cookies from Walmart, Boston. They taste so freaking good. Look how soft they are. See how easily it breaks? It tastes so good. When I opened it, I forgot to do it. I'm like, damn. Because I was so eager to taste it. I forgot to do a TikTok. But it's the moisture for me. No moisture. It's the texture for me. It's so moist and soft and nice, and it's sweet but not that sweet. That's good for me. And I got my water right here. Last night I had 2 of these. I think the night before I had like 3 of them. The only thing I don't like, it got soy in it, but it tastes good. Contains egg, wheat, and soy. They contain traces of milk and peanuts. Yeah. Oh, I didn't show you too. Let me show you close up how it is. Look at it. See how it is? It tastes so good. It's so good. I want to show you the back. Oh my! This is the best oatmeal that I've ever had. Oh my god! This is a good pleasure. This is so freaking good. Oh my god! Who made these? Oh my goodness. Let's get into the haul. Alright, so first on the list is Bath and Beauty. This is to clean your face. It says no rinsing, no alcohol, no residue. Gently removes makeup and impurities. All skin type, even sensitive skin. That's for me. My skin is very sensitive. So this is good to use with, since I have some, I might as well just show the cotton pads. I have some over there too. I thought it was finished. I know I just need a container, because the container over there I need a bigger container, because I have it in this one and it's not, you know, so I need a bigger one to put these in. Can't go wrong with some cotton pads. So yeah, this let me smell it. It's I can't tell what it smells like. It's just smellable. Like it don't smell, it don't have no scent. Yeah, that's what it smells like. You don't have no scent. It's cleansing water. Something to clean your face. Yeah, I'm gonna start using this often. Let me see. Hopefully help with my pimples. Dollar Tree. Right. And the next on the list, we're gonna go with the facial rose water and aloe soothing facial mist. I'm gonna put some on my face right now because I just came out of the shower. I'll show you guys. Ooh, that smells so. That smells so good. Oh my god, that smells good. That mix. Ooh. I'm feeling that mist. That mist. The mix together with the aloe. Oh, yes. My face is getting together. Oh. This smells good. How does it smell again? I don't remember how this one smells. Don't remember. It's got a good smell too, but I feel like I like that one better. This, I'm going to spray it on my face again. It feels good. Oh, so extra. That, because I'm loving how it's, Okay, I don't want to use this stuff. This is the one I said I had. The Jade Facial Roller to relieve and soothe your face. Yeah. So it says, wash your face, then roll Jade twice daily, morning and night. Use favorite essential oils to maximize results. Oh, so I could use the retinol and the night stuff and okay, got it. I don't know how long I had it for, but I know I did not use it. See? So it is. Yeah. I'm not smelling it. And this is some hand soap. Just, you know, regular hand soap. Dollar Tree usually have bigger bottles. I swear, since they changed to 125, everything, the quantity just go down. Like, they used to have good size hand soap. But I did see another one, but that look very mannish for men. And I like, this is like, you know, cute. This is pear. Let's smell it. It smells good. It smells so good. Pear. Oh, I'm not a big fan of pear, American pear. In Jamaica, where I'm from, right, we call avocados pear, and this is y'all pear. But I'm just, yeah. It smells so. Ooh, yeah. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go with this one next. I swear I think it's over there somewhere. Let me see. Hold on. Yep, here it is. Look at that. See? This is my problem. It's the third time I'm buying this. I used it and then I think I used it like probably 3 times the most. And then it was there for a long time. And I went back and bought another one and look how this one about to go in the garbage, because you see it? It's looking rusty. That's not good. Yeah, it's garbage. Alright, so I'm gonna use this for real, so I can get rid of these puffs under my eyes. Cause you see, I be having stuff and I don't use it. Something wrong with me. Aged. So it says, there it is. Age Defy Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum. It says instant 3-in-1 treatment. Dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Dermatologist developed, won't clog pores. Gently roll under eye from the inner corner to the outer corner. Use fingertips to blend it in. Apply twice a day. Okay. For the eye cream. This is Baobab and ginseng plus ginseng eye cream. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Garbage. Infused with rejuvenating ingredients to help brighten tired under eyes. So we're gonna see. It smells good. Let's see how it is. Okay, it's like a white. See it? Okay. Yeah. Should I put it under my eye? I don't know. I don't know if it's good to mix. What's the arm? I like the smell. The Lord know I need these stuff. Child. Deodorant. I like this one, and they have the Suave one there too that I like, but I like this one. This is the shower fresh and 24-hour solid. I think this one comes in powder fresh as well. So yeah, put that to the side. Next on the list, we got toothpaste. Crest baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste, and this is a fresh mint. I'm always using Crest, or if it's not Crest, is Colgate. So I recently, the last time I bought Sensodyne, I bought it from, actually the first and last time, the first time I bought Sensodyne was from Walmart. Yeah, I haven't bought that. I haven't bought that since it's finished. That was in the summertime. This is a 2.4 ounce, so it's like a travel size somewhat, but not really, because it's bigger than the travel size, but it's a good size. So this is the size. I'll show you next to the water bottle. You see, it's not a regular size toothpaste, but right. So next on the list, since we do the toothpaste, we're gonna do the toothbrush. I like these. It's 2 in a pack, so it's not bad. And ultra white, medium brushes. I don't like the hard brushes because my teeth are sensitive, so I can't use the hard brushes. The next we're gonna go for is this. We're gonna get this one. Oh, okay. AM infused with ayala. Yeah. I can't pronounce this word. Okay. Watermelon and aloe leaf. A smoothing formula made with skin softening extracts. Shake well and massage 3 to 5 drops into the face. Okay, so we're gonna see how it is. I'm not gonna put it in my face though, cause ooh, it smells good. It smells so good. Ooh, okay. I like that. It smells good. And I like the consistency. It's giving a little bit thick, but not too thick. Infused with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I hope I am. But yeah. And these, I know about these. Sleeping pills, but the one that dissolves in your mouth. It's with melatonin and herbs. You fall asleep faster. I've experienced it. It really does work for me. I've said this before. And you wake up without feeling tired. Wake up feeling restful, okay? Like you wake up feeling like you slept good. He said chewable, but I don't chew it. On to the next one. Oh, see, let me show you my brush. Here it is right here. But the thing is, when I turn it on and I put it on my face, it's not spinning on my face. Spinning now, but when I put it on my face, I'm not putting it on my face right now. It's not spinning when I put it on my face. Look. See, look. Like, why is it doing that? Is it the batteries? Do you need new batteries? Maybe. Maybe need new batteries. Anyways. Alright, so next we go to, oh yeah, the brush. So it's like that one. But this one look better. This one look better than this one. These came with a lot of parts too. But yeah. Here they are. I think I bought it. Where I bought this from? I think I bought it from Amazon. Yeah, I think so. But I like, let me see this one. So this is a cleansing duo brush. Put a few drops of cleanser directly on the brush and add water and massage it into the face. I like that. So they got this part is called the silicone scrubber. So, and I have this part covered up. The brush part that you're gonna put the soap on and you just massage it in your face. I'm gonna do it with the CeraVe. Yeah, I'm gonna try with the CeraVe and get my face together. Next on the list is the back massager. Listen, I've been needing this. Oh, oh, yes. I've been needing this for real. Cause sometimes I think I need to change my mattress. That's what it's really what it is. I'm keeping it real with you. I just need to change my mattress. Cause sometimes my back be hurting when I wake up. I have to switch my bed over. Oh, this feels good though. I can do it myself. Oh yeah, and then you could put it right here on your neck. Ooh, It's basically for your body. So any part of your body that's, you know, feeling a little weak, I should say, or any part of your body that need massage, you just massage it. That's all. Yo, I like this. I'm gonna keep it right on my table so I can know I could use it. I think it's, oh no, we have one more stuff left. So this is the mask. I'm gonna try this. It's a peel off sweet tea and lemon, and it says brighten. So use it. It don't smell bad. It's not that, it don't smell bad. It's actually got a good scent. It's got a good scent. But yeah, Freeman. These masks be at the beauty supply store or Walmart or Target for like $4 or $5 or even more. And they have this in Five Below too. So when I see this in Dollar Tree, I was like, oh, and I've been saw them in Dollar Tree. I'm like, what? They got Freeman masks in here now? For $125? Can't beat this. Okay, so I didn't want to buy this. I was contemplating about buying this because I have this. Remember this I bought from, I had in my previous vlog, I bought from Target, not Target, Amazon. I barely use this thing. Look, it's still full. You can see from the side, look. I need to get myself together. But I have it on my dresser so I can remind myself to use it, and I still don't use it. So I think that's the end of the little self-care haul. Almost forgot this. The shades. I like the shade because I saw it on Temu, and I had it in my cart. I forgot how many it was. I think it was $260. But to see this in Dollar Tree, I had to pick it up. Alright, so I'm sanitizing this off because I'm gonna put it on my face, and I just came out the shower. I've tried it on already, but I'm gonna do it again because I can do that. Oh, I think I want one of these in a black. It don't really go with this hair. I feel like it go with the black hair, but I like these. Yeah, it's looking better with black hair. I'm not feeling it with blue hair. I mean red hair. So yeah, they're cute though.
Oh no. Let's make some smoothie. This is so guava, apple, blueberries, strawberries.
So Chancy is supposed to be in Brooklyn on Saturday, but I don't know. I want to go, but I don't want to go at the same time because I'm like, I see that she's going to be somewhere else in August. She's going to be here August, and somewhere in Queens. It's like a sips party, and the ticket is much cheaper than the concert. So I think I'd rather do that. I was on Instagram scrolling, I saw something else. I'm like, is this a sign? So I was really thinking about going, but then I'm like, I'll see her in August. I think she's gonna be here in August. It's called Sips NY. So I'm like, I think I'm just gonna go there instead. Yeah, that's better. $40 for the tickets. Her concert is like over $100, $200. The highest I saw was $3 something. So yeah, I'm like, girl, I'll see you in August. Okay, you know me. I don't play when it comes to money. Okay.
This is Nationality, A local train.
Let's see if I could go and get some tea. Oh, what do we have before?
Getting a smoothie. Small size cup. It's right here.
I'm downtown Brooklyn, and I got this open. It's open. I'm about to go inside and see what they have. Could have been came down here. Ooh, nice design. Oh, this side. What I want. I'm just looking around. Elevators. It's pretty big. They got an upstairs too. So I'm gonna go upstairs real quick. Oh, this is a men's size. Uh-huh. 3 levels of $5 for these shorts. Ooh. Go up there. Got the guard. Stairs. I had no idea they opened it. Ooh, some big ass shirts. Why are they so big? Lizzo, Britney. Man, I got a smaller size. Why are they so big? This is like extra large. This shit is huge. Unless, nah, it's too big. It's only got Lizzo. I got no size. Damn. See? It's got bed slippers. I got balls. They got panties. This is the same thing as the other one. Sorry. Body wears. Lingerie. It's very colorful. And they got the beauty set on this side. But what's this? What is this? This is, I can't really tell what this is. $10 though. You don't even say, oh, what's the name? Oh, the reusable container. They got cologne. Let me take this. Soft rolls. Ooh, smell good. I can smell it through the mask. It smells good. What's this? Oh, nail polish. Mini nail polish. It's so cute. Alright, we're gonna try this one. This is the lilac haze. I like this one better. This one smells better. Soft rose. How much is it? Oh no, this is not this one. Where is it? They don't have it. They don't even have it. Oh, there's another one right here. I don't have the phone on. This is the peach banquet. See something. Smells good. I don't even like peas, but this smells good. So which one? Soft rose. Oh, I didn't even smell this one. Oh, they got smaller bottles down here. I didn't see those. They don't have this one, so I'm not gonna know how this one is. Unless somebody moved it. Alright, we're gonna try Crush. Oh, that was a lot. Oh, okay. This is a little strong. Sun-kissed peach. It's strong, but I'm trying to see if it lasts. I can still smell it. Oh, they got a soft rose body mist. This is for $4.50. Okay, yeah. You know what? Let me put this thing down. It's cute. This is cute. $6. Travel bottle set. Earplugs. Oh, do they have suitcase in here? I don't see any. Oh, they got somebody open a nail. They got nails, but it's clear. They got white ones. Comes a pack of coffee and white. $4. It's not bad. And got this one. Not bad. Red. That's kind of cute. These are cute. These are so freaking cute. Vegan. Oh yeah, they got lashes. Let me show y'all the lashes. For $10. And we got this. Mirror. Lights up. These bands. What's upstairs? Oh, women's is upstairs. I'm gonna go upstairs. Women's is upstairs. So, oh, this is laundry section. Okay, and beauty stuff. These are sweater. Oh, this place is big. This place is huge. Oh. This cute shirt. Snoopy. See what this shirt's saying. What this one says, Upper East Side. No shirt I like. It's only $4.50. That's not bad. I like that. A good looking. Oh, this one. I don't really like pink. Pink is not my color. I'm not really feeling pink. Okay. That spray is still on me. I can still smell it. I think it's the last one that I sprayed. I don't even know which one it is. $4.50 for shirts? They run big too. This is extra large. Pretty big. I'm sorry, girl. I do not miss working in the store. People just come and pull that shit up and go. Cool, I'm tired. I have a shirt. Well, I don't have a shirt. Oh, these ones are $8. This one's $8. Oh, let's go in the pool. 5 and 9 and the soul. Stitch.
There's a few more boxes, but again, just tell me to pick it off the floor.
I'll see what they have over here. Gosh. Got wares. They got shoes. They got accessories. They got luggage. This is so cute. $16. Whoa. Look at this little cute little purse. $6. Cute. Got put stuff right here. The material feels so good. We got these here for $11. Wait, this is 11. Oh, these are 7. Shoes. And what is it? $9. I found some on. These are $10. Not bad. I feel like going all the way down there. Yeah. Oh, that's same. Flip flops. Tote bags. $4. $5. These bags right here, $14. And it's a zipper, but I don't think I have any inside pocket. It's just throw it in the bag. They have a front pocket though. I'm gonna open it inside. Inside pocket. Yeah. They're $1. These are nice. Oh, look at the shoes. Look at the shoes, galore. I'm loving the bright colors. It's cute.
got pink, got clear, got blue. This is nice. $700. $16. Not bad for the price.
Mira qué linda están esas.
Different colors. $14 for this bag. No. We got the straw hats for the $7. That's not bad. Ooh. Oh, goodness. We got these glasses in here too. The blue one. The black one. Oh, the black one, huh? They have good varieties of shades in here. Different colors, different style. Why it took me so long to figure out the word I'm trying to say? Yeah. Oh, look at this green one. This is nice. They don't have this in black. Cannot go wrong with a black shades. This is cute too. Primark is like basically Shein outside in the store. That's what Primark is Shein in the store. Cause this is cute. $5. You know what? Maybe I should go with these type of glasses this summer. I'm feeling these style. Looking like those cream. Okay. Got earrings. Dang, they don't buy all the luggage already. Damn. Yeah, empty this shit. I'm gonna have to go to the one in King's Plaza to get my luggage. I barely got luggage over here. Barely anything. That's crazy. I don't like the sound of that. Sounds very cheap. The back part fell off of that one. So what? We got hats too. Look at the hats. Oh, this is nice. Mickey bag. Makeup bag. How much is this? Oh Lord, $16. Why? I didn't know makeup bag because all my makeup can't fit in one bag. And I got kids over there. Just I don't think I'm heading over there because I'm ready to go home. Sorry. I'll just go to bag. Got the black one bed. It's $14. That's too small. $14. Or $8. Oh, white one. I do need a white bag. This is nice. Price not bad either. But it's not big enough for me. Because I need to bring my stuff in there. It's not big enough. I need to bring my portable charger, my tripod, my phone. It's not big enough though. Those are cute. That's a bag. Hey, oh, aqua. They got green over here. So these are $14. In case I want to know. Green bag. It's $14. This is cute. Oh, I gotta be in cute.
I'm about to.
The sandals. $7. These are strong. I feel like I have to go back over here and get that spray. It's still lingering on me and it smells so good. Yeah, this store is huge. Big ass store. We got flats. Nice flats. Heels. How much are these flats? What a price. I don't see the price. I don't have a price on something. Where price is it? Because I don't see it. Oh, $6. Yeah. This material feels so strong. Is it the same price? Oh, this one is $10. $6.50. Oh, so they're all different prices right here. Alright, so guess what I'm about to do? Oh, look at the shoes. Oh, I'm about to. Oh, look at this. I got jeans color one. How much is this? What's the price? Price $9. I don't know what's back there for $20. I'm about to go look. Yeah, these are $9. Got the black and white one too. This is nice. I feel like I want to get one of these for myself. I feel like I want to get one of these right now. It's a 7. Can I see? I'm about to try this on. I'm about to try this on right now. Don't watch my foot. Don't watch my foot. Oh, this shit big. It is big. Look at that. Oh man, it's big. Let's see if I get a 6.5. If I have a 6.5, I'm getting one. Shoot. I came down here to get a pair of sneakers, but they didn't even have my size. This is a 5. Let's try the 5. I think the 5 is gonna be too tight, but we're gonna try it. Okay, why not? What size is this one? These are Michael Kors, and I bought it from Macy's. I think they're 8. That's my regular size. But let me see much. Let me see. Oh, this is nice. The 5 fit me. I think they run big. The 5 is still a little space. Look there. My damn instep. Oh my god. My pants like this almost twisted. And the funny shaped legs them I have. But I like these shoes though. How about here? I think I'm gonna buy this and a perfume. If I come back, I come back. But now I'm trying to get this. Well, 5.5. Wait, no. The 5 is the. Should I get the jeans color one? Should I get the black one? They fit nice on my feet. I like these. I like both of them. What should I do? I got more stickers right here. I don't even know where you want to put them on there. Nice stickers. More stickers right here. $150. Bells. Travel bags. That's $7. There's so many. These bags are so nice. We got these right here for $18. These are some nice bags. Compartments. Oh, we got a zipper right here. Oh, nice. Some of the prices are reasonable, some is not. Because some of the stuff they have price, you gotta question, like, why is it so much? But other than that, you got nice stuff in here. I'm gonna get that spray. Okay, maybe the spray. Oh, it's downstairs. I need to go downstairs. Oh, they got purses. I didn't see the purses. Purses right here. $9. This one's $7. Oh, this one's cute. I like the design. $7. Oh, they got the black one. $7. A lot of stuff for cars. This is cute. Should I get this? I really don't walk around with a wallet. I just throw my cards in my bag. That's why I'm like contemplating if I should get something like this or a smaller one, like over here. Got initials on there. Okay, not bad. A zipper. Coin purse. $3. Why are they gonna have other colors? It's like the only one they have. Going back downstairs. Oh, this is some dresses. Somebody left it there. So I'm putting it back right there. Like nightgowns and stuff. Alright, I'm going downstairs. Let me do self-checkout. That's good. Oh, they got bottles. I don't need nothing else. Oh shit, I don't got a bag. I just noticed I don't have a bag. I have to buy a bag. What is these bags? $1. What is the big one? Alright, I'm about to touch out this stuff. Okay, so I'm going to walk. What else can I keep together? Oh wow. Okay. Okay. That's different. You could scan your receipt so you can leave. Ain't that something? Time to go. I'm out. I ain't been down here in a while. So might as well. Okay. Thank you. Should I go to Cheesecake? Junior's Cheesecake. Junior's Cheesecake. I haven't had a piece of cheesecake in a while. I think I'm gonna go get a piece of cheesecake. Just a little piece. Just one slice. It's not gonna be a big piece. Just gonna get a little piece of sweets. I'm going home because it's getting cold. Excuse me. It's getting cold, honey. It's chilly. Going to Junior's.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Damn, it's been $10 for a slice. Do I really need it? But damn.
You know what? Let me do the trouble.
Damn, made the damn price. Last time I bought it was like $6. I think it was strawberry. Yeah, it was strawberry. Got my cheesecake, and then we go home. I had it before though, so it's really good. I think it's my favorite to get from there. I never try anything else. So strawberry, I think it's my third time or fourth time getting this. Yeah. Getting chilly. Ooh, it smells good.
I want to get my nose pierced. I've been wanting to, but I'm so scared. Tattoo and body piercing.
Believe, dream, I believe I can fly. Brooklyn. He's trying to get hit. You're not even paying attention. Really? She's to Macy's. I went into Nordstrom Rack and I saw a Burberry cologne for $42. I was gonna get it, but I don't know how it smelled. So I was gonna go in Macy's. So you know, they always want you to smell some perfume. So I'm like, I should have went in there. But But not right now because I'm cold. I'm ready to go home. So I need to get some piercing. Is it time? China. Go home and make another smoothie. It's been a while since I came outside and actually buy a smoothie from somebody because I'm always making my own smoothie. But it was $4 and I'm like, oh. And I drink from that place before. And it's because I didn't want to. Honestly, I came down here, I'm like, I'm hungry. I was trying to go to Shake Shack and I'm like, oh gosh. Do I really want to eat Shake Shack? Or I want to be on the healthy side, right? China. Going down the steps on the train. Go home and relax in my bed. The cops, yeah, but careful. Bala pa yan. Opening cups. Damn cups. Let me pop it out of nowhere. Hold it. Nope. Nope. Always found him. I just got home and I'm making some green smoothie. Ooh. My dinner. I don't think I'm gonna eat that cheesecake. I got more right here. Avocado, banana, spinach. That's it. Almond milk and protein powder.